Laiannuo fully automatic pipe cutting production line is a complete system designed for the automated cutting of pipes in large quantities. The system is typically composed of a set of specialized machines that work together to form an efficient pipe cutting solution. The production line is typically composed of the following machines. Pipe loading machine. This machine is used to load the pipes onto the production line. It can be equipped with a conveyor system that automatically brings the pipes to the cutting area. Pipe feeding machine. This machine is used to feed the pipes into the cutting area. The machine can be equipped with various systems such as rollers, clamps, and other mechanisms to ensure that the pipes are accurately positioned for cutting. Pipe end facing machine. This machine is used for facing the ends of pipes before they are cut. After finished cutting, here have output table to load the material out of the machine. For more information, please contact us directly.